Hello students, I am Priyanka speaking. Hope you all are well and safe in your homes. Today we will read chapter 2 of English Reader and the name of the chapter is The Wooden Ball. Okay, so let's read and understand the chapter. Once upon a time in a small town in Germany, there lived an old man called Kurt. He lived with his son Manfred and his daughter-in-law Thekla. They all shared a little old house at the end of a quiet street in the middle of the town. Students, this story is about an old man who lived with his son and daughter-in-law in a small town of Germany. His son's name was Manfred and his daughter-in-law's name was Thekla. Manfred was a carpenter and spent all his time in a workshop next to the house. He had learned carpentry from his father, who had been a famous carpenter in his days. The old man had taught his son well, and the son earned a good living. He made furniture for the people of the town, and from time to time he did some carving. Manfred, the son of the old man, was a carpenter, and he was used to spend all his time in his workshop. And do you know, students, from where he had learned carpentry? He had learned carpentry from his father, who was the famous carpenter in his time. And the old man taught his son well about the carpentry, and now he earned a good living by making furniture and all for the people of the town. The young couple, Manfred and Thekla, had a son called Wilhelm. The boy liked to sit in the workshop and watch his father. As he grew older, he helped his father by fetching and carrying things. He learned to clean the tools and to take care of them. He learned how to use a saw and a hammer and a chisel. And his grandfather taught him to carve wood into wonderful shapes. Students, Manfred and Thekla had a son named Wilhelm. And now, as Wilhelm was growing up, he used to sit with his father in his workshop and learn things by his father. He was used to help his father. He was also used to learn how to use a saw, hammer and a chisel, and how to take care of tools. And his grandfather, means the old man God, taught him about carving and shaping of the woods also. Now, the old grandfather was very old and getting older every day. He was not very strong, his eyes were dim and he could not see well. Sometimes his hands shook and sometimes he sat in a chair and nodded off to sleep. He was always sleeping. As the old man Kurt was getting older day by day, so he was becoming weak and his eyes were not working as before, so he could not see well. His body was getting weak also, so his hands used to shake. He slept everywhere or every time, as it normally happens in old ages. In the evenings, when they all sat down to dinner at the table, in the evening when all the family members sat together on dining table for dinner, Manfred and Thekla used to get angry with the old grandfather. He was slow and clumsy. Sometimes he broke a glass, sometimes he dropped a spoon, and sometimes he spilled soup on his shirt and trousers. He was an old man after all. Students, when all the family sat together for the dinner, the son and daughter-in-law of the old man used to get angry because the old man sometimes broke a glass, dropped spoons, spilled soup on his dress. There is no fault of the old man because he became old and now he was not strong as before, so it can happen. One day during the evening meal, the old man dropped his plate on the floor. Crash! It smashed into 100 tiny pieces and the food fell all over the place. Thekla and Manfred began to clean up the floor, but how angry they were. After that accident, they bought him a cheap wooden bowl from the market and gave him his dinner in that. They made the old man sit by himself in the corner of the room to eat his food. The old man was sad, but what could he do? He kept quiet and did not complain. Students, as we know that because of his old age, the old man became very weak. So one day during the dinner, the old man dropped a plate and the plate smashed and food fell all over the floor. The son and daughter-in-law of the old man became very angry. However, they cleaned the floor, but after that they bought a cheap wooden bowl for the old man and to give him food to give him food on in that. They never allow the old man to sit on the dining table. They give him food in the corner of the room. And for all this, the old man became very sad. He felt very sad, but he could not do anything. So he did not complain for anything. One evening, not long afterwards, Thekla and Manfred had finished work for the day and were getting the evening meal prepared. When the meal was ready, they called for Wilhelm. They looked in his room, but he was not there. One evening, after finishing their work, Manfred and Thekla prepared dinner, and when the dining table was ready, they called their son Wilhelm. But their son Wilhelm was not there. They did not find their son. Where could that boy be? Asked Thekla. Manfred had no idea. He asked the old man if he had seen Wilhelm, but the old man shook his head. Thekla and Manfred became a little worried. They looked out on the street, but Wilhelm was not there. Then they saw a light on in the workshop. They went to look. Manfred and Thekla started searching him. They asked to the old man also, but he also did not know about him. They became worried. They searched him everywhere in the house and street also, but he was not there. Suddenly, they saw a light in the workshop, and then they went there to look him. They stepped into the workshop and found their son sitting on a stool. He was cutting a small block of wood and working as hard as he could. "Ah, there you are," said Thekla. "What you are making, son?" asked Manfred. Wilhelm put down the block of the wood and chisel. He looked up at his parents. "I'm making a wooden bowl for you to eat from when you are old," replied the boy. The parents looked at each other, their eyes filled with tears. When they reached in the workshop, they saw that their son was sitting there and making something. They asked him what he was doing there and making. Then Wilhelm told them that he was making a wooden bowl for them for their old age. When they become old, then he will give them food in that bowl. After hearing his words, Manfred and Thekla felt ashamed and realized that they are doing wrong with the old man. "Come, dinner is ready," said Thekla softly, and she put her arms round her son, and the three of them went back to the house. Now, as Wilhelm had opened his parents' eyes, so Thekla asked him for dinner and took him in her arms, and they all went back to home. After this, Thekla and Manfred always asked the old grandfather to sit with them at the table, and after that they never told the old man to sit in the corner of the room. They make him sit with them at the dining table and give him food in their utensils, not in wooden bowl. So students, this story gives us a lesson that we should always respect our parents and never hurt them. As we will do with our parents, same will be repeat with us. Okay, now hope you all understood well. So we will meet again in next video. Till then, stay in home and stay safe. Thank you.